nice vibes. Beautiful alleys here. Here we're on the train going to SOUSSE. It's going pretty fast when it's not in the rural city areas. We've survived the train to SOUSSE. Here it is. This is first class. That was first class, and that was second. It's a diesel train. Old-fashioned train. Okay, let's go. Let's go. They claim it was only 2 hours 15, so don't believe what they say. Here, we've checked in. Don't have a room, but we're walking around the Medina trying to go into the mosque first. Apparently, they only let foreigners in the morning, but not night in the afternoon. So let's see. Bring your headscarves and let's see what's going on. Nice day, blue sky, not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful. Here's the cost of the mosque, 5 dinar, about 250 Canadian, $1.75. Opening hours.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Ticket is over there. Wow, look at the rabat. Those are called rabats, like a fort.
You're a fort.
You're fort. Okay, here we are going into the mosque of SOUSSE. And here we are. Look at that. It is hot. It is hot. And this is the prayer room. That was the courtyard. This is the prayer room. Wow, nice prayer room. All these nice carpets. Here we are outside the prayer room. See? Which one's almond? Which one's peanut? Which one's almond?
Oh no, it's
Well, let's get caramelized. Very Greek vibes here. Beautiful blue skies. Very nice here. Look at the doors. Beautiful. Beautiful place. We're walking here in the Medina of SOUSSE. What are you doing here?
Where are you going?
I don't know. I think straight.
No, that's the museum.
What? They're in there? The chicken? We're in a chicken shop. Doesn't get fresher than that. Look at the chickens there. I hear chickens. Probably. Here we got chickens on the thing. A nice friendly old man there. It's waving. I swear, I'm in Greece. Here we are. We ordered a special from this special guy, chapati. This chapatino. And we got the special for 6.5. Tomato sauce, egg. Thank you.
She has a beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Really?
That's sweet.
Okay.
Have a good trip.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're gonna sit there and eat. Let's gonna try this cappuccino.
Baby, let's see.
It's crunchy. It's probably dry. It looks a little dry. Is it good? It
Like
must
pizza.
be cheesy. Like a panzerotti? We waited forever for this. Handmade with care. It's all full of egg.
They had cheese on it.
Good? Oh, cheesy good. 6.5 dinar, which is 2 Canadian. 2 US for 3 Canadian. Not bad. We're in Greece eating it. In Greece, $20. Okay, my turn to eat. Here we're at the market. Is it vegetable or? Oh, it's a meat. Maybe there's camel. My friend. Oh. Looks gross. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Intestine? Where's camel?
What is this?
Your mother would have screamed at you to come in. No camel? That's tripe, Michelle. It's your stomach.
What's this?
Intestine, I guess. Oh, there's the sheep head. Those are the guts, man. No camel. It doesn't smell pretty good, eh?
Oh, it has to be better.
Usually it's really bad.
Canada.
He's blown up in intestine. What? No, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. No, actually. No. Here Michelle's getting a little plate, engraved her name in Arabic. Let's see how it looks. Yeah.
Oh, pink. Oh, yeah.
Oh, color, wow.
Yeah.
Sharpie.
Cute.
Oh wow, look how that's pretty.
Thank
Yeah,
you
very
so much.
nice. Very nice.
Thank you. Oh, it's cute.
Let's see. You're too much in the sun. Whoa, nice. This is our hotel, right around the corner, right by the mosque. SOUSSE is a great place. We love SOUSSE. Here we're rummaging through old Goodwill stuff. Everything is 3 dinar, which is about $1.50. The other place was at 1 dinar. These are coming from donations around the world. Some very good finds. So between 50 cents and a few bucks, you can get everything you want. Real suede backpacks. Here goes Michelle. What's that? Is that a real one?
10 dinar. The 5 dinar.
Galore. Oh, there's even a cat here waiting. Hi, cat.